We have already studied about the difference between sector and segment of a circle. The region enclosed between two radii, the radii and the arc, that is called a sector, and the region enclosed between the chord and the arc, that is called a segment. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on area of sector and area of segment. We have already studied the formula also, how to find out area of sector of a circle and area of segment of a circle. So the first question is, find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. So angle is 60 degree and radius is 6 cm. We know the formula to find out area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 degree, 360 into pi is 22 by 7, r square we can take as 6 square. So we have, when you cancel this and 36 we cancel, 6 into 22 by 7 which is equal to 132 by 7 centimeter square. So area of this portion is 132 by 7 centimeter square. Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Now quadrant means when you divide anything into 4 equal parts, each part is called as quadrant. So it has got 4 quadrant here. We need to find area of a quadrant of a circle. Area of one quadrant we need to find out. And the circumference they have given as 22 centimeter. Circumference means 2 pi r, this length of this boundary, that is called as circumference, that is perimeter of the circle is circumference. So circumference they have given as, circumference is given as 2 pi r and it is given 22 centimeter. We need to find area of quadrant of the circle, and we know that area of the sector, this is also a sector. We can see that these are two radius of the circle and it is the region enclosed between the radii and the arc, that is area of sector. It is theta by 360 into pi r square, and here theta is 90 degree, so which is equal to 90 by 360 into pi r square. Quadrant, we know the angle of the quadrant, that is 90 degree, so that is why theta I have substituted as 90. Now r we need to find out from this data. So pi r is equal to 22 by 2 which is 11 centimeter. R is equal to 22 by 2 into 22 by 7 will go in the numerator, so it is 7 by 2. R is 7 by 2 centimeter. R is 7 by 2 centimeter. So we have 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 the whole square. So which is equal to 22 into 7 square divided by 4 into 7 into 4. So 1 7 will get cancelled and we have 77. This also you can cancel. 2 and 11 and 2. Again 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 8 centimeter square. 77 by 8 centimeter square. Next question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So that's the question. Length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. This is second hand, hour hand and minute hand. So this length of this minute hand they have given as 14 centimeter. So this is nothing but our radius. We need to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. First, now the initial position is here. When it is reaching here, we need to find out the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. That means we need to find out area of this sector we need to find out. And we know the formula. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. And we know that radius is 14 centimeter. So I can write pi value also. I have 22 by 7. R is 14 centimeter. So r square is 14 square. Now we need to find out theta. How will you find out theta? So we know that the full angle at the center is 360 degree. So we have to find out the angle swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes we need to find. That is theta we need to find out. We know that the full angle at the center is 360 degree. Again, we know that there are 60 small divisions. Here 60 small divisions are there. So what will be the angle swept in 1 minute? There are 60 divisions. Here there are 60 divisions. So if you want to find out angle swept in 1 minute, that is 360 divided by 60. All these represent 1 minute. So 360 divided by 60 will give you angle swept in 1 minute. Now into 5 minutes means we have to multiply with 5. So we will get the theta as 30 degree. Now we can substitute in this formula and find out the answer. What will be the area swept in 5 minutes? So which is equal to 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 square. So when you simplify this, we will get 154 by 3 centimeter square. We can cancel this. So this is 12. Again we can cancel 11, 6 and 14. 114 you cancel, you will have 2. So 2 into 11 into 14 divided by 6. That again you can cancel this. So it is 3. 11 into 14 divided by 3 is 154 by 3 centimeter square. For a chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter, so this is radius 10 centimeter, its substance a right angle at the center. So substance a right angle 90 degree at the center. This is the chord and this is the radius of the circle. OA and OB are the radius of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle. Chord means line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Radius means line segment joining the point and the center of the circle, any point on the circle and the center of the circle, that is called as radius of the circle. We need to find the area of major segment as well as minor segment. So segment we need to find, not sector. Segment means the region enclosed between the chord and the arc. So this is segment. So area of minor segment, first we will find out. Area of minor segment is equal to, area of minor segment is area of the sector OAB, area of the sector minus area of the triangle formed between the chord and the radius. So area of minor segment is area of sector minus area of triangle formed between the chord and the arc. Chord and the radius, that is area of triangle OAB. Now area of sector, we know the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. We know that the formula to find out area of triangle that is formed with the radius and the chord, it is half r square sine theta, half r square sine theta. So we can use this formula, theta by 360, theta is 90 by 360 minus pi is 22 by 7, or here we can use, since the radius is 10, I can use as 3.14 into 10 square. So it is easy for our calculation, half into 10 square into sine 90, and we will simplify this. So this is equal to 1 by 4 into 314, because 10 square is 100, half into 100, sine 90 is 1. So we have 314 by 4 minus we have 50, which is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. 28.5 centimeter square is the area of the minor segment. Area of minor segment is 28.5 So this is area of minor segment. Now if you want to find area of the major segment, then the formula is area of the full circle minus this part will give you area of major segment. So area of major segment is area of the circle. We'll write area of major segment. Area of major segment is nothing but area of the circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle is pi r square. Area of minor segment just now we got as 28.5. Now if you want, you can simplify this, which is equal to pi is 3.14 into 10 square minus 28.5. So which is equal to 314 minus 28.5. So the answer is 285.5 centimeter square. So we got the area of major sector as well as area of minor sector. Area of minor sector is found out by area of the sector minus area of the triangle formed by the chord and the radius, and the second one, area of the major segment, is area of circle minus area of minor segment. Thank you for watching my video.